Hi, I'm Chef Seth. Welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to review a basic recipe, mayonnaise. And most of us have mayonnaise in our homes, and when we buy mayonnaise from the store, it's loaded with preservatives and additives that are detrimental to our health. So we're going to review a recipe that you can do at home that makes mayonnaise delicious and better for you. So we're going to start with 2.5 teaspoons of champagne vinegar, or you can use white wine vinegar or apple cider vinegar if you don't have. 2.5 teaspoons of lemon juice, 2 teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce, and 2 teaspoons of hot sauce if you so choose. Some people don't like to add hot sauce. That's fine. So add that to our main vessel. Next, we're going to add 1 egg yolk. Following that, we're going to add just 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard to give it a little punch. And I like to add a little bit of basil to give it a more well-rounded flavor. So for every egg yolk, you use 1 cup of oil. So you're going to put your mixer inside the main vessel, right on the bottom, and then you're going to add the oil in on top of that. Make sure all that oil's in there. Once it is, all you do is turn it on. And the emulsion starts. And there you have it. Now, if you wanted to add a little bit more oil to have a little bit more viscosity to it, you could, or you can add a little bit of water to it if you wanted. If you want your mayonnaise to have a little bit more volume, you could leave it thick like this. Once it's done, you cover it or use it, and you label it for 2 weeks from the day that you make it. This way you can make sure that it's fresh. And if you need to make more mayonnaise, you can. You can see how simple and easy it is and how much better it is for the mayonnaise that you buy in the store. Till next time, eat well and stay healthy.